Hey guys, what's up? So welcome back to another video on my YouTube channel. So in this video, we discuss the science of 3D printing from prototyping to medicine. So let's get started. Press the like button. Okay, 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a transformative technology that has found applications in various fields from prototyping to medicines. This article explores the science behind 3D printing and its diverse applications in these areas. Okay, the next is the science of 3D printing. The first is additive manufacturing process. 3D printing works by adding material layer by layer to create a three-dimensional object. This is in contrast to subtractive manufacturing processes where material is removed from a solid bag to shape the final product. Okay, the next is materials. A wide range of materials can be used in 3D printing, include plastics, materials, ceramics, and even biomaterials. The chosen of material depends on the specific applications. Okay, now the next is printing technology. These are survival 3D printing technology available include future fused deposition modeling FDM and SLA and SLS and more. Each technology has its advantages and limitations. Okay, the next is computer. The next is computer aided design CAD. The create a 3D printed objects. A digital 3D model is required. CAD software is used to design and model the object, which is then converted into a format compatible with the 3D printer. Okay, the next is slicing software. Slicing software takes the 3D model and break it down into thin layers. It generates the instructions G-code that the 3D printers need to build the object layer by layer. So the next is printing process. The 3D printer follow the G-code instructions, depositing or solidifying material layer by layer. Depending on the technology, this can involve metalling, plastics, filament, cursing, liquid reaching with UV light, or centering powdered materials with lasers. So the next is post processing. After printing, some object may require post processing steps like sanding, printing, or assembly to achieve the describe the fine finish and functionality. Okay, the second part of this video is application of 3D printing. So, prototyping and rapid prototyping. Now, 3D printing revolutionized product development by enable rapid and cost effective prototyping. Engagers and designers can create physical prototype quickly to test and iterate their design. Customization. 3D printing allows for high levels of customization. This is particularly valuable in industries like aerospace, where each components can be tailored to specific requirements. Okay, the next is medical applications. 3D printing has made significant inroads in the field of medicines. Medicine lamps, customized implants such as hip and kidney replacement can be 3D printed to machine a patient's unique anatomy. Okay, B point. Pro, sorry, Prosthesis. 3D printing is the used to create effective and customizable prosthesis limb for amputees. The next C is dental. Dentists use 3D printing to create crowns, bridges, and orthodontics devices. Nowadays, bioprinting. In advanced applications, bioprinting is being explored to create tissues and organs for transplantations. Okay, the next is aerospace and automotive. These industries use 3D printing for lightweight and complex components, reducing fuel consumption and enhancing performance. Okay, the next is fishing and jewelry. This second use 3D printing to create interactive and unique fashion pieces and jewelry. Okay, the next is education 3D printing. 3D printing is increasingly used in school and universities to teach students about design and engineers and manufacturing process. 7.7 is art and architecture. Artists and architects use 3D printing to bring their imaginative creations to life. The next is food industry. 3D printing is employed to create intricate food designs and shapes, experimentally with food texture and presentation. Okay, the final point is constructions. In constructions, 3D printing is being explored for creating building components and even interior structures using concretes and other materials. Okay guys, so that's the today's video. Like this video and subscribe this channel, and please press the bell icon and share this video with your friends as you wish. Okay, bye bye.